In this video, I am going to show you how to reset OPPO K13 5G to factory default settings. If you want to reset your phone to factory default settings, open settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and click on system and update. Under system and update, you have backup and reset. Click on that. Under backup and reset, you can see the last option, reset phone. Click on that. Under reset phone, you have lot of options. You can reset the network, you can reset all settings, or you can erase the phone completely to factory default settings. I am going with the last option. Before proceeding to the step, make sure you take the complete backup of your phone, then only continue to the next steps. I have taken complete backup of my phone, then only I am going to clear the data. Click on clear, click on clear. Now your phone will restart. Here you can see the OPPO logo. Now you can see that now it is showing up the welcome screen. Click on next and select the language and select the region. I will go through the setup process quickly and I will get back to you. Click on get started. Now you can see that everything on the phone is erased. No photos, nothing. All the data has been lost. So that's it guys. In this way you can do a factory data reset of OPPO K13 5G. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.